Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where you are going to learn some amazing hairstyles. So here we have created a beautiful lovely bun like this, and here we are going to attach it. Isn't it looking super pretty? Now let's see what are we going to do next. Here we have created a ponytail, and then we need to make it look like this, crisscross, and then secure it with the beads like these. Pretty cool. Isn't it looking damn amazing? And from the middle you can make a heart shape pattern. Pretty amazing. Now make a ponytail, take a beautiful lovely big ribbon, and then you need to just crisscross your hair in this manner and make a ponytail like this. You need to make the pleats in this way with the help of the ribbon. And let's see what are we going to do next, and then you need to secure it. Pretty cool. Now take a ponytail like this, and then what we are going to do, just unlock your hair in this manner and get it attached like this. And here we have created a beautiful lovely bun. Pretty amazing. Isn't it looking lovely? Now let's see what are we going to do. Secure your hair, make two pony pleats like this. Now again, what are we going to do? Yes, let's see. You need to secure your hair in this manner and then just crisscross and get the beads out. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? You will get a beautiful lovely pattern like this and secure it with the help of rubber bands. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also we have created a beautiful lovely pattern like this, and then securing your hair in this manner, just do the partitions, and then what are we going to do? Yes, you need to make the pleats on both the sides. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now just do the partitions in the hair, and then you need to make the pleats like this. Then just do it from the other side, and then you need to secure a beautiful lovely bun on one side of the hair. Pretty amazing and cool. You can tie it with the help of your ribbon to make it look damn amazing and pretty. Isn't it looking lovely? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here we need to tie the rubber bands like this, and then keep on securing it further in this manner. You need to just unlock your hair and then put it in this pattern so as to get a beautiful lovely pattern from the back side. Isn't it giving you a pretty amazing look? Now just secure with the help of tic-tac clips like these, that to a jumbo one. And now you need to secure your hair, enroll it from the other side, get it attached, and here's the result. Make a pretty lovely bow side rubber band. Isn't it looking damn amazing? And then secure it with the help of your clips or clutches, looking definitely amazing and pretty. Now let's see what are we gonna do. Just make the two pleats in this manner and secure the partitions in the hair like this, and then you need to just secure your hair in this manner, get it attached with the help of the rubber band or beads, and here's the beautiful result. Now you need to do the partitions, just entangle your pleats in this manner, and then what you need to do, secure your hair, roll it in this form, and then you need to just secure it further and then roll it. And what we are going to do next, you need to just secure it in this manner to get a pretty result in this way. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Yes, you need to just secure it further with the help of clutches and all those and the clips like these, and then with the help of a thin rubber band you can secure it further. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now take a ponytail like this. Again you need to just make it further, make it look like this. Just repeat the procedure and keep on making these patterns till you get a beautiful result from the other side. Isn't it looking definitely amazing and pretty? Thank you guys.